I post videos every single day on YouTube related to CFA exams, stock markets, financial courses, and basically helping you with your early career issues. But I think this needs to change. Hi guys and welcome back to A True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I have some important announcements to make and share with you. So please stay till the end. I'm a little worried as I make this video, but I'm just hoping and praying that you guys support my decision and show me the same amount of love that you've always done. So yeah, keep watching. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second, hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work in a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so very important announcement number one is that as you guys know, I've been posting videos every single day. So I post 3 long videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I post a short every single day. While this has been my normal since the last 2 years, I think I want to make a slight change, and I'll tell you also why. The slight small change is that instead of posting 3 long videos a week, I will now be posting 2 long videos a week. That is, every Wednesday and Friday you will get a long video. The shorts will remain as is. I will still continue to post a short every single day. So basically you're still gonna see me every day. The format will change a little. The reason I'm doing this is, number one, obviously it is a little easier on me. Producing and getting out 3 long videos a week is not very feasible, and not when you're also running your own business full time. It gets a little too demanding, and I've noticed that sometimes because I'm so drained or my mind is elsewhere, तो कहीं ना कहीं वीडियो की क्वालिटी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज होता है, and that is something I've not been happy about. So to overcome that, I decided, why go over quantity? We'd rather focus on quality. So 2 quality based long videos will come during the week, Wednesday and Friday, and the shorts will have more information than it usually carries. So a lot of you had even told me, make more shorts and make more informative shorts, because usually my shorts have been very quick, very to the point, not maybe as detailed as you guys would want it. But since many people had told me कि it's better up shorts में now, we prefer the new generation to just scroll through shorts. So I want to give that a try. So now onwards, most of my shorts will be more detailed oriented. You might just get all your answers in that one shot rather than watching a 7 or 8 minute video. So I think it is a win-win. It's just my best guess. I want to give this a try. Like I said, I'm very nervous. जितना मैंने fast बोला है, I think you can make out. I've literally told myself, Tani, slow, because I realized I've spoken so fast. I'm a little nervous because as a creator and as a small content creator, I will use the word small because I obviously don't have the numbers that many big creators have, right? It is a little intimidating that what if I don't post that one long video, तो कहीं मेरे algorithm को कुछ हो जाएगा, maybe you guys will leave me. Those multiple thoughts go in your head, and it is so overwhelming, so scary, might I tell you, because I don't know about anybody else, लेकिन मैंने बहुत effort डाला है इस channel के लिए, and I'm not saying it just for the heck of it. I have always tried. People who've been with me since 2 years will know, to show my most authentic self. Even the toughest of the toughest video that is so painful for me to share, I always put it out if it is related to the kind of content that I post, that is CFA exam or career related, because I feel like only when I tell you my most honest, vulnerable, raw experiences can you learn and can you benefit from it. So I've always done that, even if it's been painful, because the vision is clear. I want to help another Tanishka. मेरा तो यही vision था, एक और तनिष्का तो होगी who may need help. So I know that I have really pushed myself to be this person or to make this kind of content, and abhi I'm just a little nervous that will you guys accept this new change. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are, and will you be happy with this? Lage hath also tell me what kind of videos you want to see in both long and short form content. I know a lot of you all want to see study vlogs, and I will make that very soon. I'm planning to post one early October itself. Let's see how that goes as well. So yeah, सबसे major announcement यही है that there is a slight shift in the kind of content that I am producing. The type, the quality will still remain the same. So basically यही एक important बात थी. One more thing, for CFA November 2025 candidates, I have one last announcement for you. Our 8-week study plan, 16-week study plan and 24-week study plan is completely shut for you. We are not taking November 2025 candidates thereafter. I'm sorry, but we have already crossed the 2-month mark, and it won't be fair that I take candidates for that. So if you guys are filling the form, although it will be out already, but अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हो November 2025 के लिए, unfortunately the slots for that are completely shut. I just wanted to let you all know. Anybody giving the exam in Feb, May or thereafter, you guys can still join. We have very limited number of slots remaining for CFA level 1 Feb and CFA level 1 May 2026. I think May के लिए we still have 5 or 6 slots left. For Feb we have literally 2 or 3 slots only left, because we take only a handful of people. When I say we, it's by the way an I consider myself as a whole team, but I take only a limited number of people so that I can actually customize your plan to the T, and I know every single thing that's happening in your life so that I can help you accordingly. So hence limited number of slots. If you are interested in joining this, quickly fill the form in the related description. You'll get a mail within 48 hours at the latest of what your next steps will be. So yeah, आज का तो यही वीडियो है. थोड़ा सा मुझे डर लगा है. Please promise me you guys will show me some love. And you know, I always say this. I was telling somebody this. I was telling my mom this on Monday because I was in such a bad mood for whatever reason. Okay, genuinely very upset, very bad mood. लेकिन मैं कह रही थी मुझे वीडियो लेना था because obviously I had to post the video. And when I came on the camera, I was like, and shooting, and it made me realize, particularly on that day, how difficult it is to be a creator. People think आप तो बस अपने घर पे बैठे हो, you're just shooting videos, posting videos. No, you know, even on the bad days when you have to show up with this bright smile, it is not easy. I think my genuine respect has increased for every single creator. For my own work, it has really gone up, and I just wanted to add it because True Talk with TS, you guys know I blabber. तो ये दिमाग में आया था तो मैंने बोल दिया. तो प्लीज़, considering the effort, please show some love, guys. Sometimes it is so heartbreaking when you're, you know, showing up on a bad day and you still don't see the numbers pulling up. Genuinely बुरा लगता है. I don't want to sound like, oh, she's making this to get views and subscribers, because I don't like sounding like that abla navi person on my channel. That's genuinely not the goal, but I'm truly sharing my feelings that sometimes I do feel bad कि, you know, आप मुझे क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो वो numbers जो मुझे चाहिए, because very honestly, no matter whatever said and done, numbers do validate your thoughts as a content creator sometimes, right? Like when you're posting videos regularly, sometimes you like seeing those numbers. It brings a certain level of contentment. It brings a certain level of, okay, let's do this one more time. Because like I said, it's not easy to show up every single day. So please, इसी बहाने subscribe कर लेना. If you've ever truly liked my work, I always say this, if you've ever liked my work, only then subscribe तो कर लो. It won't cost you anything. And yeah, I'll end this video because I've just blabbered from this topic to that topic to this topic. Guts. But you guys know, मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. Next week काफ़ी interesting videos आ रहे हैं. One for my CFA August 2025 candidates, a special videos coming for you guys. Scholarship candidates who have applied for the May 2026 candidates, I will also share all details regarding that on the Wednesday video. And Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, बाकी हर दिन आप मुझे shorts में देखोगे. वहाँ पे भी love देना, वहाँ पे भी comment देना. Okay, same person, different content. If you like this particular video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.